Yesterday I had a long, hard day and felt some despair. I went to bed early to repair. While I slept, a green fairy came to visit me. She brought me an eclair. Yum, yum. Next, her hairy friend visited me and stroked my hair.
Air, fairy. Air, fairy. Air, eclair. Air, eclair. Air, hairy. Air, hairy. Air, repair. Air, repair. Air, despair. Air, despair.
1.
Air, fairy.
2.
Air, eclair.
3.
Air, hairy.
4.
Air, repair.
5.
Air, despair.